Have you ever wondered how to navigate the challenging waters of freelancing successfully? Today, we delve into the inspiring journey of Saira Panjwani, a young woman who transitioned from a student to a thriving freelancer, overcoming various hurdles and achieving significant milestones along the way. In the heart of Pakistan, a young woman named Saira Panjwani was studying hard, pursuing her education with relentless determination. Yet, she harbored a dream to make her mark in the world, not through traditional employment, but as a freelancer. It was a path less traveled, fraught with uncertainties and challenges. But Saira was not one to be deterred. As a student, Saira was fascinated by the world of social media marketing. She saw the potential it held and wondered if she could harness it to fuel her freelancing dreams. With this newfound passion, she began to learn, educate herself, and explore this digital realm. She attended online meetings and webinars, learning from industry experts, one of whom was the renowned Ali Raza Panjwani. Under the mentorship of Panjwani, Saira's understanding of social media marketing deepened. She honed her skills, learned the ropes, and slowly but surely, she started to gain a footing in the world of freelancing. It was a tough journey, filled with long nights and moments of self-doubt. However, Saira's resilience shone through. She kept learning, kept growing, and kept pushing herself. And then it happened. Saira started to see success. She started to land clients, to apply her social media marketing skills in the real world, and to see the fruits of her labor. She was earning $500 monthly, a significant achievement for a freelancer just starting out. But Saira didn't stop there. She continued to build on her success, to grow her client base, and to increase her earnings. Today, Saira Panjwani stands as a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and a passion for learning. From a student to a successful freelancer, she has navigated the challenging journey with grace and tenacity. Her story is not just about her financial success, but about her personal growth, her journey of learning, and her relentless pursuit of her dreams. In conclusion, Saira's journey is proof that success in freelancing is attainable. It requires hard work, a willingness to learn, and a never-give-up attitude. Her story is a beacon of hope for all those who dream of carving their own path in the world of freelancing. So if you're wondering if you can make it as a freelancer, remember Saira Panjwani's story. Remember her struggles, her successes, and above all, her unwavering determination to achieve her dreams.